So aside from lipstick, from foundation, from what's this? From skin mask and lip pencil. So I also have what's how we're going to pronounce this? Lineage Water Bank Blue Hydrochronic Cleansing Kit. So we have four. So this is for, I think this is for cleansing. This is for how the Carabao. This is Water Bank Blue. This is the cleansing gel. And this is their cleansing foam. So all in one cleansing kit. So again and again, thank you very much for making me feel beautiful. Thank you for the lip pencil, for the skin mask, for the foundation, and for this cleansing kit. And we have one more tin box. So the thrilling part of the program. So thank you for this cleansing kit. Yeah, thank you for making me feel beautiful. Thank you.